Okay. Is my motorcycle there? गाड़ी गई तो नहीं? Okay, thank God. I thought it was towed. Guys and girls, welcome to a rainy day, heavy day of riding. Welcome to another episode of देसी एलियन। देसी एलियन का नया एपिसोड है भैया। एंड गाइज, what we are gonna do is, in this video I wanna touch base on, my god, I just hope this is a good drive. It's insane weather in the GTA. People out with the umbrellas. Hope Mother Nature's kinder to me. Oh god, here goes nothing. Okay, so guys and girls, I want to talk about many things, man. Obviously, I want to continue my thoughts and the movement that I want to start, which is going to be the Don't Quit India movement. And regarding that, I just wanna do a few things, speak a few things. So it's going to be a mixture. Gen Z protests will cover why, again, another reason as to why one shouldn't leave India, part of the Don't Leave India movement. Same topic, same everything on this wonderful Toronto rainy day. I hope the weather is kind to me. Scared to ride in the rain, but sure, why not? That's another experience. Let's see. Fingers crossed. So, part of the Don't Quit India movement and how people in India, especially many creators in India, are going crazy right now. They are genuinely losing their minds after the Gen Z protests about how things are breaking up in India, how you should move out of India at any cost. Look at this, man. Like, look at how terrible the whole thing is. People can't even give exams, and people can't even, students, they have studied so much, and yet at the very end they don't really get anything because of this crazy corruption and this government and a whole bunch of reasons which are extremely right and valid reasons. In an ideal situation, this shouldn't happen, but you have to understand that things like this, they happened earlier as well. It's just that earlier the Congress government, let me not take the name of the party, but earlier what used to happen is that the previous government had an ace up its sleeve, which was called designated allocations. By that I mean that people had seats allotted to them beforehand, which is I believe one of the reasons why these kind of leaks never really happened. The new government removed that reservation, and these things Oh god, look at that crazy traffic, man. Crazy traffic. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious, this is insane. This is genuine insanity, man. Crazy भाई, crazy. समय रैना की तरह crazy भाई. So this is one of the reasons why this thing has gone completely berserk. It's all berserk because when you make those seats available to everybody, whether you like it or not, the chances of corruption, proper corruption I'm talking about, they go sky high, buddy. They go extremely high. You can say what you want, you can't deny how difficult these things really are from a governmental perspective, especially for a nation like India, which is trying to get out of being a developing country and moving towards a developed nation. What I mean is that some collateral damage is bound to happen. थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ तो होने ही वाला ये काम. डेवलपिंग कंट्री है तो ये चीज़ें होंगी ही, इसमें कोई भी डाउट है नहीं. Such obstacles will happen, and the thing is that the guy has resigned. एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर रिज़ाइन कर चुका है. So the goal has been accomplished. Whatever Sonam Wangchuk stood for has been achieved, right? And many such things will happen in the future where Gen Z will be out on the streets, or rather will have protests, because people are waking up. And once people wake up, they will obviously they will do it. They will do whatever they want to do, right? They will make sure they clean up the country, take it to a higher level. This thing is slow and steady. It takes time. Slowly things happen, and once they do happen, that's how countries in general get better, right? Doesn't happen overnight. Nothing happens overnight. Takes time. So treating this as a positive sign, one must increase their faith in India. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't, you shouldn't just lose faith in India. India's gonna be there, was there, it'll always be there. That's how it's always going to be, buddy.